You masak? Oh, kau masak mau ambil video. Selalu you punya bapak mah masak. Oh, ini first time ah.
Okay guys, so if you can see from the title, today we're gonna have a Kuey Teow Goreng or fried Kuey Teow. Kuey Teow is the fat rice noodle, so it's a common street food here in Malaysia. So I was told by him that his father started cooking Kuey Teow Goreng for the past 40 years. So, but before this he cooked somewhere else, and he moved here about 7 years ago. So now his father is taking turns to cook. So let's see. Besides fried Kuey Teow, we also have this grilled tofu.
This one is our fried Kuey Teow. So the other day we cooked on our own. So today we went to the stall and let the expert cook for us. It took him less than 2 minutes done with the cooking. So he got a bit of bean sprout. Try. Yummy. Yeah. Okay. It's not that spicy, but you can taste it's like seafood taste from the cocktail, I think, and the prawn. So you put all the chilies, and boom. Actually make it taste so much better. Like you got prawn, you got that Kuey Teow, bean sprout, and see if we can find some cocktail. There is
something. I can have my hand.
There is cocktail. We call it kerang here. It's kerang.
What is this like?
Seafood.
Oh.
You want to try? Hey, apa ni? It's a baby stick. So here we got what we call as kangkung or water lily, and some squid. So it should be sweet. Got some nuts. Nutty. The duck sauce is sweet. Wow, tastes so good. The duck sauce is sweet and a bit sour. Maybe from the lime. Look at that. Sedap ni. Look at that. So this is the place at Selera Wawasan at Jalan SS/33. Yeah, so you find Lawan Kuey Teow.
And if you want to come here, you can take the Kelana Jaya Line LRT and get down at Kelana Jaya Station, and then maybe you have to take a Grab or a taxi to come here. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to press the thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.